Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I did say that the next one was going to be tracks, but this is one that I wanted to have a go before tracks. Consider it as a bit of a tracks prep. Now, as you know, my lights did have the crappy bit along the top, which a lot of yours may have. I was going to get a kit, but at the moment, money's quite tight. So I did have a scout about the internet, a troll about the internet rather. And I've heard that this works. I can see how it may work because it's pretty much like a rubbing compound. You know, it's not smooth. It's got little gritty bits in. So that's what I'm going to try today on my lights. As you can see, mentioned straight off that I am in the garage again because the weather's been absolutely shit today. It's just raining constantly, as you can see out there. Focuses in. No, but I'm sure you can hear it anyway. So yep, we are in the garage, so the light's not best for doing this type of thing in here, but I'm hoping that we can see a difference. So this is what the car is like at the moment. As I said, the lighting's not great as we're in the garage. So I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the bits of grit and little icky bits that are on the light. It's mainly at the top. You can see gone all funny. Now I say I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to have a go and see if it'll take any of that off. So I've just used a few old cloths just to help protect the bumper. So I have my AutoSol here, which I found in my kit, which I've had for some quite time. There you go, better light. So there's not a lot left, but it should do for what I need it for. So I'll just pop you down over here. Okay, so hopefully you can see the light at that angle. So let's make a start. So I've got the stuff again. I've gave these lights a quick wipe because I say the weather's absolutely terrible outside. So I'm just going to smear this over the light just to give it a good coating all over. So I'm actually going to pay particular attention to the top because that's the worst bit. But as I'm actually spreading it on at the moment, and you can actually feel that I say it's definitely like it's definitely like a compound because I can feel all the grit within the in the paste, and that hopefully is what's going to bring the lights up a lot better. There we go, and that's all now covered. So I'll let that sit there for a minute or two. Now this is what I've been waiting for. Now let's see if this actually does anything and see if it works. As I'm doing this, obviously this is not just a quick wipe off. You need to put some elbow grease in to try and work the grit into the light and get all those imperfections out, or as many as possible. So I'm just going to spend a bit of time trying to get as much as I can just off the cloth, or onto the cloth. Now I've just done that fairly quickly. I don't know if you can tell any difference. Now I don't actually have a normal polisher or a drill bit that you can use to do this as well. But what I do have is a crappy buffer. I'll see if this will work. Okay, so just having a quick go with that and the buffer. It has actually made a slight difference. I don't know how this is coming out in the overall picture, but on this bottom bit it does look a little bit better, to be fair. You can see on the top that that's still there. And I think the only way that's going to actually disappear is if I use wet and dry or a proper kit. Now I've just been looking around the garage and I've actually found this, so I'm going to give this a try and see if this makes it any better. Try and work some of this in. Okay, so I've just gone over it with the actual proper rubbing compound, and the results are tons better. You can actually see along the top, it's not gone completely, but all that murky sort of faded bits have pretty much disappeared. That's coming out as clear as on the camera. Apart from, say, that bit there that you can just about make out, that is like 80% loads better. Now I'm just going to give that a natural polish because you can still see some marks on it, just to make it a bit better. But for tracks, I think I've got the other one to do, but that's definitely loads better. Oh, so just as an update as well, seems like it's been a while now since they're on. The suspension settled. You can see it looks a lot better. So, to sum up, yes, AutoSol doesn't work. I wouldn't bother wasting your time on it really. So if you're going to do it temporarily, compound will get majority off, but you're better off doing it properly, as I say, by wet and dry or an actual kit. If you're going to budget like what I've done, just mainly for this experiment, if you are going to use a buffer, don't use a crap one like I did. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video anyway. The next video definitely will be tracks, so don't forget to check that one out. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment or even subscribe if you feel like it, and let me know what you think. So yeah, for those that are coming, see you there. For those that are just watching, see you in the next one.